Welcome back, everyone. Today's video comes out of Missouri and features an angler who seemingly does not care about state fishing regulations. In the state of Missouri, anglers are allowed 30 crappie per person with no minimum size limit. Now, it's important to note that that limit does not apply to all bodies of water. Some lakes, such as the Lake of Ozarks and the Truman Lake, only allow 15 per person with a minimum size limit of 9 or 10 inches. However, in no scenario does it increase beyond the 30 fish per person. Well, an officer with the Missouri Department of Conservation was patrolling the Catclaw Lake when he made contact with an angler to conduct a resource inspection. Now, this lake is one of the lakes that allow 30 per person with no minimum size limit. Let's check it out.
How we doing? Conservation agent, just checking fishing permits. Be catching anything?
Yeah, a couple of crappie.
Good deal. You got the old cane pull out?
Yeah.
That's the way to do it. Got that lifetime?
Yeah, I am
Yeah.
70 years old.
Are you really?
1958.
You would have fooled me. That's all I'm gonna say. You would have fooled me. There's that. There's that. Appreciate you.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Appreciate you. Are they just here in the bucket?
Yeah.
Well, you got your mess of crappie, don't you? All right. Yep. I'm just gonna dump them out and I'll fill your bucket back. I'm gonna take a count, just so we see what we have.
How many you supposed to be?
30.
30 or 50?
30. Out here.
Oh, maybe more than 30. 50 go home now.
I'm just gonna dump them out, just so we can refill it.
Section 46, September 23. 1346, September 23.
30, yeah. So that's 30 right there. That's 30 right there.
All right, I think we could all see what's going on here. The officer is only partway through his count and he's already reached that 30 fish per person limit. Each fish counted after 30 is going to be in excess of the daily bag limit.
So we'll see how many we have total.
39, 1042.
50, and that's 50.
Now, the officer stopped to show the angler what 50 fish looks like because of his incorrectly stated belief that the daily bag limit is 50. As you could tell, he's still well in excess of that number.
Yeah,
How many of these?
those are at a separate limit.
Oh, okay.
So we have 86 crappie and 6 sunfish. 6 sunfish is 20, crappie are 30. So we're a little over our limit here.
Yeah, I thought 50. Yeah, sorry about
No,
that.
you're fine. You're fine. Well, even if we're at 50, we're at 80, 86.
Yeah.
We're almost 3 times the limit. So, do you have your ID on you by hand?
Thought 50. Look at it. Maybe 50.
I get you. I get you. And we're saying 50, and again, we're still at 86 fish. So, and I'll take your permit card too. Just need that because I'll get your profile off there, and then just your ID for your identity. Okay. Yep. Let's go ahead and head back to the vehicle real quick, and I'll take these with me. We'll discuss this further. Which vehicle is yours? Just that Chevy? The 4Runner? All right, I'll just have you go ahead and put your rod up. I'll have you hang it out the back of your vehicle for me. So what we're going to have to do is he's going to be issued a citation for over limit of crappie times a handful. Because limit's 30, we're 86. We're over by 56. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna write easier to take it. So
1346.
and we're taking all but 30. Is what we'll have to do. So I may have you help me separate. So all right, sir, hold tight for me right there. So here's what we have. I have it's take over limit of fish on department area. It's going to be more than just the one charge because we are almost 3 times the designated limit. And I know you said you thought it was 50, but even then,
I thought it was 50, but
even then,
yeah,
we're still
sorry
at,
about
we're
it.
still at 86.
Yeah.
On top of that, I'm seizing all but 30 fish. That's how it's going to go.
Okay.
So
Missouri, like most states, allows each individual fish to be a separate charge for being over the bag limit. This means that if you're 50 fish over, you could potentially be facing 50 criminal charges. Now, of course, officers have discretion, and when you're dealing with a fish like a crappie that has a 30-day bag limit, they might reduce the number of charges per fish over the limit. In some cases, 5 fish might only be 1 charge. In some cases, they might only do 1 charge. It's really up to the officer in that case and what they think is going on and what they think is appropriate. Now, something worth noting that isn't necessarily relevant to this video, but if you have fish over the limit that are also under the minimum size limit, each fish might be 2 different charges. You might have the over the limit charge, but also the under the size limit charge. We posted a video a little while back on our fishing channel that showed somebody that I believe was facing almost 70 criminal charges for keeping lobster in the Florida Keys.
what I have, here's your 2 stuff back. So what I have is, like I said, the takeover limit of fish. You're going to have a court date of 7/1/2025, here in Jackson County in Independence, Missouri, up there on downtown. You don't have to go to the courthouse, though. So right here, 495564. That's going to be the citation number. I'm going to give you this blue copy. This blue copy is going to explain how you can take care of everything online. So you don't have to go to court. You won't have to go to the courthouse for it.
How much for that?
I don't know how much it'll be. I don't know. Once I submit the charges, everything's up to
They
this.
send it back to me.
They will once it's submitted, they will notify you. You will be able to go into CaseNet and reference this information, and it will notify you what the charges are. Like I said, you don't have to go to it though. You can take this stuff right here, this number, and this will give you a website on it. You go to this one of these websites.
Yeah.
This one right here, and you punch in that citation number, and it'll pull it up, and you can plead right there, or you can mail it in, and you put the citation number and you send it to the Independence Courthouse. So all I need from you is just down here at the X where it says defendant, just your signature. It's not a
So
plea.
this is the number.
That's the number you'll need for the ticket.
You don't know how much for that?
I don't know how much it'll be. That's not the price. I can tell you that, but I don't know how much it'll be because once I submit charges, it's up to the courthouse. Once I submit it, it's out of my hands, basically. So give it a couple weeks because you won't be able to do it right now. I have to file it and it has to process through the courts. Those are your 2 copies. Don't lose those. Make sure you get it taken care of before that court date. If you don't, it does turn into a warrant. So if I can just have you hold tight for me, you can stand at the back of your vehicle. 7/1/2025, July 1st.
July 1st?
Yep, just take care of it before that date. So like I said, I'm gonna have to go through these. We're gonna have to take all but 30, and you're still gonna keep the sunfish. Since we have 86, I have to take 56. So.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Take it.
Yep.
Now the officer uses this time to separate out the fish. He's going to allow the angler to keep the 30 fish that he's legally allowed to keep, and he's going to seize the remaining amount. He also uses this as a good time to double check his count to ensure he has an accurate number for his report.
Yep. So if you want to get your stuff in your car, that's fine. Yeah, that wind's not helping nothing, is it? So told him he could keep these. So we're at 86. We'll count them out. I need to go through them all again.
Okay.
That one will stay with us. 1, 2, 27, 28. 29, 30, and then here's his 6. All right. Here's your 30 fish back plus those 6. Okay. So there should be 36 in there. If you want to count them yourself, you can. Yep, just to verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I may give him a 1. He may be 85, but we'll go with this final number. Might just have to go back through and watch my hands count them.
Okay.
So I'll do that on my own time. We're not going to charge them for all of it. I'm going to see if somebody wants them. And we'll go from there. So, all right. Yeah, if you want to, I can take that from you.
All right, so being true to his word, the officer recounted the fish and ended up with a total count of 85, placing him 55 over his daily bag limit. Now back to the officer discretion part, he was only charged with 1 count of taking or possessing fish in a department area. Now I want to know what you all think. Do you think 1 charge was appropriate, or do you think it should have been more? Maybe something like 11 charges, being 1 charge per 5 fish, or maybe all 55 charges due to the fact that he seemingly didn't care about the limit and he's so high over. And if you like fishing and hunting content, be sure to check out our channel where we feature exclusively fish and wildlife content. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing. Have a nice day.